Man, why am I getting buzzed here? Touching this metal. Oh. Yeah, it's probably that power line right above me. It definitely sends a tingle down through the aluminum. It's right out here past the tractor. That's Mount Rainier from my place. This would be a beautiful place to put a house, right? I own behind you here. I own about 20 feet that way yet, so I've got the top of the hill. Why isn't there a house here already? That's right, there's one. There's a second power company there. There's a third power company here that comes across my land. And over there is a fourth power company. Yeah, they all cross right on my land, and then they split off other directions. And maybe you can see down there in the distance, cars going by. That's I-5. Interstate 5 at Napavine, Washington State. Of course, past that tower there and down, that's the railroad tracks. So what we have here are these humps that are just randomly out here in the field, and there's usually a hole on the other side of each of these. You see the big clump right there? This is what I'm dealing with on the property. That's why I got that grapple. See the hole over here. And all around here, there's holes. Over here, there's a hole next to each of these mounds. You see a big hole over here. So what are we looking at? Well, over the last couple thousand years, trees have fallen over, left a hole where the tree used to be. Where the root was, that's where the pile of dirt is. So it takes a couple hundred years for the root to rot away, enough where there's nothing but a mound of dirt. So this is ancient land yet. The Native Americans probably hunted through here. There were woods here. When they came and put the power lines in the 30s and 40s, as they put more power lines in, they cut more down. We can see the woods here. That's my property, and it goes all the way down to the railroad tracks that direction. But I got that grapple. I'll show you how to take that hump and get rid of it, so the next time I mow, I won't feel like the tractor's going to tip over. As you can imagine, getting on a high side and a low side with the tractor, next thing you know, you're laying on your side. That's no good. Well, here I have my MTL attachment. This is a grapple, and this is hooked to my 30-horse Kubota. So one of the things it recommends to do is grease it before you use it. You can grease it after you use it. I just prefer to do it before I use it. This way I can see if there's anything looks like it might be an issue and take care of it. Usually when you're done with it, everything's good and hot. So that would probably be a bad time. And we got a broken greaser there. I have to get a new one of them. But anywhere out here on the end where it gets full of dirt, you want to knock off some of that dirt first. That's right. All of it likes it, including the tractor. If you do that often enough, it only needs 2 squirts at the most. MTL is not sponsoring me. This is a brand I found online. We ordered it, came in on a truck. Got the attachment to be able to hook it up quickly. We got the third finger on the control, hydraulics control. Everything's working great. As you can see, this one is extra heavy duty. I don't think I'm going to be able to bend it. It has the extra supports in between. That's always good. This is just a 30 horse tractor, so I don't really think I'm going to bend this. There are ones out there that probably could bend, but this one seems to be working great for me. I'm loving it.